Hello everyone, welcome to the website developer YouTube channel. My name is Ajinkya Saival and I am a web developer. In this video, I will show you how to create fully functional calculator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's get started. First, let's create new folder for our calculator and open this folder in our code editor. If you don't have any code editor, you can use Notepad and I am using Visual Studio Code Editor. So just right click and click open with code option. Then our folder will open in Visual Studio. Close this welcome pop-up and click on new file option and create three files: index.html, style.css and script.js. These will be our HTML, CSS and JavaScript files. Now let's build the HTML structure for our calculator. Open index.html file and add the following code. Now our HTML code is complete. So let's test our calculator. Open index.html file in our browser. So right click in index.html file and click open with live server option. And you see our calculator structure is complete. So let's add some style to make our calculator look beautiful. Open style.css and add the following code. Now you see our calculator look beautiful, but now calculator not do any work. So let's add some JavaScript to make our calculator functional. Open script.js and add the following code. Our calculator is complete. So let's check its functionality. It is working well. That is for today's video. We built a beautiful and functional calculator. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more web development content. And if you want to make YouTube clone and tic-tac-toe game, then you go to description and see our videos. Thanks for watching and continuous coding.